In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can reset your SA password from the command line. This is ideal if you're for some reason locked out of your instance and you can't get on, or you don't have an account that have sufficient permission on the instance. What you're going to do, RDP to the server that is running the SQL Server instance. So ensure you're an administrator on the server. So what you're going to do, launch command prompt on the server. Let's run it as administrator. The first thing is you're going to do is stop the SQL Server service. And you're going to start it in single user mode. Let's start the name of the instance /m SQL CMD. Now we're going to connect with a dedicated administrator. So the command is SQL -a. So now I'm connected. It's time to run the command my SA password. It's a simple alter user, alter login, set the password. Alter login SA with password, strong password, right? Fire policy off, and if I refresh here, see that my SA is disabled. So let's run the command to enable it. So my SA should now be enabled. Next thing you're going to do is take the SQL Server out of single user mode by stopping the instance again and then start it normally. I needed to exit CMD here and stop the instance. Now I need to start it. Let me refresh this connection, and now my SQL Server SA account has been enabled. If I try connect with my SA account, change the authentication type to SA, SQL Server authentication, my bad, and the password, let me just copy and that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.